travel is the way most people will get around during the World Cup. Many city bus lines are already overstretched and overcrowded, so it's not clear how they will tackle the influx of tourists. Talita Gonzalez works as a
researcher
committee of the World Cup.
It's 4:23.
Monitoring public
No, we missed it. The lights were just on. Oh no, there it is. There it is. Okay.
Brazil, she says, the lack of planning and the bad habits the Brazilian government has of announcing a project just so they can present
There's
it to
the train right there.
but later they're
Are you
unable to
filming?
execute it. She says
Are we gonna catch
the
it?
World Cup infrastructure
I guess.
We're gonna try.
Turn off NPR.
So when the bill comes in,
Keep an eye out the back there to see if we...
Oh, here it's coming.
Oh, now it's starting to go. It'll be a miracle. Oliver, a miracle if we catch it.
We might have missed it. We don't know yet. We'll find out.
The one problem we have is that we have to go so far, like out of our way down this way, you know what I mean?
We're never gonna make this line.
Keep your fingers crossed on.
We have to make this line. We made the light. Well,
Did you check on your
what?
number of hits?
Yeah.
Did you check that? Has anyone looked at your train video since yesterday?
Yeah, okay. Can you shut up? Shut up. What?
Some chunk of it. He's got a semi-pediddle. Look, semi-pediddle tail light. Wouldn't you say?
Like a middle
Well, no, his
semi-pediddle.
lower left tail light is not. Actually, he's going pretty fast. And just by sticking with him, we're going, you know, like, maybe we'll catch it. It's a driver's eye view.
Hauling ass, sort of.
Hauling ass.
Or as the different concept is burning rubber.
That's right.
I thought this guy was a Prius.
I thought he was a Prius too. Interesting. We both have the same misconception.
Now we're going the railroad.
usually we start our, run when the train just pulls in, so we have a minute or two, like we sort of can cheat a minute or two. Is it?
Yeah.
Well, we either missed it or we just about got it. I think we missed it. I think we missed it. Let's see. Oh, we got it! We hauled ass. You gonna jump out or you gonna look out? The front of the train as it comes. Catch it back. Come back. Let's go around the other way. Let's go around the other way. Cool, Daddy-O.
Yeah.
Get that light receding into the distance.
Now, that was, well, this train. I hope you give us a like if you like it. And hopefully you like it. And thanks for watching.
When the train left the station.